Alright, let's get straight to it. Air filter replacement on a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the V6 3.5 engine. This is real quick and easy. You don't have to disconnect any wiring or anything to get to this one. All you have to do is pop these two tabs up here. This piece will move around. You have two tabs here. You want to get that above those tabs, and then you want to start to rock side to side while pulling it up, and eventually it'll be easier if I had two hands to do this with, but side by side, one side at a time, until it pulls up. I feel it pulling up there. All right, just like that. And you have your old filter out. Pretty much this sits down in here just like that, and that filter sits right down in there just like that, and you can see where it seats like a gasket. And then let's say this was your new one, you just take it and just put it right back down underneath these two tabs here, and then you will clip it in, and that's as easy as that is. Your air filter is just that easy to change on this vehicle, on the 2002 Pathfinder. So just make sure, of course, you get a new air filter to put back in here. This was just for demonstration purposes. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.